Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase screen timeout in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. Now, I'm going to show you the process of the most traditional way. For that, what you need to do is just go to your search bar and type Control Panel. In Best Matches, you should find Control Panel. Just open up Control Panel. After that, make sure View by is set to large icons. And then you just have to select Power Options. From here, you have already pre-selected a plan. It could be balanced or anything. Just whichever you have selected, on that, just click on Change Plan Settings. Then from here, you'll see Turn Off Display. You can change it. You can either decrease it if you want, or you can increase it. You can also set it to Never. That will make sure your screen doesn't time out ever. It will always stay on. Now for laptop users, there will be another drop down in the side. One will be for on battery, and one will be for plugged in, so you can change it both ways. After that, just click on Save Changes and just close this. And basically that is how to increase screen timeout in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.